Kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta thaa thita cia utuko gatagati, athii magagaite na kurigwo wa gwika thutha wa aruti wira ruhonge rwa iharo cia ndege kiharo-ini kiu kugomera wira. Gwakia aruti wira acio magitongorio ni mwandiki wa Ndiema monania marakara mao na guthararia Mihang'o yothe kiharo-ini kiu, kiria ni uthio wa Kenya, makiuga ni megute mawira mao wona ruhonge rwa ndege rwa KQ rwanyitithanio na ruhonge rwa uramati wa iharo cia ndege KIA kuu JKIA.
Those who want to muzzle KIA, we are sending a message that the workers of aviation are fed up with you.
Borithi nao magikinyia kurunga maundu, Ndiema agaikio ngono na arunake makarumio bara, angi makihoka ihenya kurira borithi. Minister wa ukuui James Macharia agikumithia aruti wira ya ni uhinga na kuga matingitikirio guthararia uruti wira wa kiharo kiu kiria gitungataga gicunji kinene gia gitaru giki kia Africa.
To call a strike when you've got assurances, when the so-called deal has not happened. It was malice, and because the strike had been declared illegal, it means these people are no more than a bunch of criminals.
Nake murunawe wa wira Ukur Yatani ni akumithitie aruti wira acio ni kwaga gutia watho wa igoti kurugamia mugomo ucio, akiuga mamenyithirie thirikari ndeto ino muthi wa mwambiriro handu-ini ha thiku 7 kiwatho thima yobite kamiti ya andu atatu ya kumurika Ndugamano ino thiini wa thiku 30 ciukite.
A responsibility on the part of each one of us to be alive to the realities of the aviation industry. It's a very delicate industry. It's an industry that we are not only addressing local matters, but we are dealing with international travelers, and it's about the image of the country.
Mihang'o ya ukuui ona gukiri uguo niicokereirie makiria ma mathaa 12 ma Ndugamano iria hatari nganja icungiriirie kura kwa mabilioni ma mbeca na kuhaka ndoro mbica ya bururi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.